Mohammed bhai, this is lamb on the bone? Okay. A bit of waters. We have cleaned everything and I was about to close, but suddenly got an order of one large lamb on the bone with one garlic naan. Oh my god, this heat is unbearable. I should lower the flame, it is too high. Alright. Bloody hell. This is so hot, man. So a bit of masala as usual. Oops, I almost forgot about the naan. Oh, there's a garlic naan, sorry. Okay. So I forgot that this is a garlic naan. Thank you. What I am doing, I think I'm very tired. Where's coriander? It is right here. A little bit of coriander and lamb on the bone is ready to serve. Let me take out a little bit of oil. Hurry up, man. I wanted to go home. This looks so good, man. So as usual, a little bit of more coriander and bit of ginger. Finally, the order is ready. And I'm packing in your favorite bag, palm stretchers. Let me pack 2 sauces. Yep, this should be alright. Order done. Okay, bye bye.